Hey guys, I'm Disney Dad, and today in this video we're going to talk about all the new information and prices that we've gotten for the new Star Wars hotel being built at Disney World. Stick around for this video because it might shock you if you're planning on visiting this hotel when it opened. So, real quickly, let's go over a high-level overview of what we know about this hotel so far. Disney is building this hotel to simulate a two-night voyage on the starcruiser. Things like the windows in the cabin rooms and common areas will have virtual portholes animated to make it look like you're traveling in space. And as Disney writes on its new Galactic Starcruiser website, the starcruisers are well equipped with the latest shield and turbo blaster technology to defend themselves in an unlikely event of dire circumstances. So it's sounding really cool. There's a lot of hype and they're building it up. Let's continue. Dinner will be served for two in the Crown of Cruella dining room with a group of appetizers for the table, a choice of an entree, and a specialty plate dessert. Breakfast and lunch will also be available in the dining room, though guests may also have lunch on Docking Bay 7 Food and Cargo when visiting Star Wars Galaxy Edge. A captain's table experience at the Crown of Cruella dining room will also be available for an upcharge. Guests will download and need to sign into the Play Disney Parks app for the Galactic Starcruiser adventure, as the Star Wars datapad on the app will contain their personal itinerary as well as driving some of the interactions on the ship. Magic bands, also called data bands here, are also required for the full experience and will provide part of the package. In addition to the standard cabin, which offers queen bed, 2 bunks, and a wall pull-down bed, a Galaxy class suite adds an integrated seating area and second window to space, while a Grand Captain suite offers 2 bedrooms, a second bathroom, a third space window, and sleeping up to 8 passengers. Star Wars attire will be allowed on board, so go ahead and pack those Jedi robes, because it's going to make that interactive experience that much better and it's going to be worth spending the money on it. Now, let's talk about the money. So a voyage on the Walt Disney World upcoming Star Wars Galactic Starcruiser will cost more than $4,800 for a couple and nearly $6,000 for a family of 4, according to the Disney website updated this week. Of course, things are going to go wrong in this voyage, which sets up the stage for an interactive experience. And Disney has posted itinerary, some of the stuff we've talked about today, which also will include side-back lessons, droid racing, and lightsaber training with real Disney lightsabers. So much to talk about, but that price tag is hard to get over. Comment down below if this is something you guys will save up for and go to, or if you think it's going to be a little bit too much for you guys. It's a lot of money, but from what I hear, it's going to be one of the experiences you probably never see in your whole life. So, like I said, comment down below, like if you made it this far in the video, and I'll see you guys next time.